What's up, y'all? This Candy Cane. We doing a Ratchet Girl remake. This my little brother.
Chris boy.
My little cousin.
Take crazy.
Alright, let's go. Oh my God. Who let her come out the house like that?
Nuh-uh.
She is doing the most. She is doing the most.
Yes, she doing the most.
OMG. What do she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me that phone. I'm about to take this happy picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
Can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl.
Her baby boy. And they came with her sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club up in the middle of the floor. No shoes. Where's cool? I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jeans, fur boots today. I had to keep it looking good because my baby daddy just made bells. He'll shoot today. Baby, need new shoes today. Child support check in 2 days. Got my tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue?
You know it.
Gon' do it up. Move the track. It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new person.
What up?
Brand new tax. $95 for this weed. Plus tax. Bam. Been a thing over while spank the thong. Not real head, it's kike along. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think wrong? Whatever, she'll lie. My number, boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Hey, girl, you look good today. Turn around, let me see where this going. Oh. I'll see you later, girl.
See you later. See you later.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me that phone. I gotta take this hex picture.
Cause she ratchet?
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet?
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet?
My name is Email Willa, but my girlfriends call me Corey. The club is free before 11. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Ballin', got my jersey dress on. Jordan heads match my press on. Pow, being dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Douglas in my picture. Blue ID got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team he paying. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me. Cause you ain't looking like nothing. You ain't looking like nothing. Oh. What is that? Ooh. What's wrong with her? OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet?
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me that phone. I'm about to take this picture.
Cause she ratchet?
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet?
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet?
She thinks she look good with a leopard print on. You ain't look like nothing. You think 'cause your hair look like a jungle, you in the jungle? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I said, what you gonna do?
Girl, please.